And Xavier, please tell us a little bit about yourself, who you are, where are you from, how old are you, and how did you start trading?
Okay, so I am from Alabama. I am 28. I started trading about 2 years ago, per se. And I actually, believe it or not, Golden Options Trading, the company that Forex platform was developed from,
Yeah.
that was actually my first introduction to Forex when I saw their signals and all of that stuff. Of course, like any other trader, my start was a little bit rocky. I was switching everything from strategy to strategy. I was doing one strategy until I got one loss, and then for some reason that one loss, like, you know what, this strategy doesn't work anymore. Switch to the next one, stuff like that. Until I finally got to the strategy I'm using now, which is what most people commonly refer to as smart money concepts. And I guess I'll be showing you a bit of that today. But otherwise, yes, it's been about 2 years, and I took about 7 different challenges. I failed them all until I finally passed this one.
All right. So when did you, take the first challenge? You just said you took total 7 challenges before passing the first one. When did you take the first challenge?
The first challenge that I took was about 6 months ago.
All right. So it took you around 6 months to understand, basically, to adjust your risk management, to understand how you need to complete the evaluation. Is that right?
Yes,
All right.
I definitely had the wrong mindset to pass the funded challenges because I was always doing like max risk, so I wouldn't have to have that big of a RR to complete the challenge. And
Yeah.
every time the trade went against me, and then it was too late to recover, and kept
Yeah.
failing the challenge.
Yeah. Yeah. That's the main problem with most of the traders. Tell me a little bit about your trading history.
All right, so with my trading history, I guess I really started out trading like, I guess I would say the overbought and oversold thing with the RSI is actually how I kind of first started trading. It worked sometimes, but I failed more times than I won. So that's when I started switching strategies and I started using like the Fibonacci and things of that nature. But probably the biggest thing, my very first day was my kind of aha moment, I get most people call it, is when I first started trading. I started a demo account with odd USD, and I put in a trade because I was already kind of good at reading charts before I even started trading, and I was like, this is going to go up. I put in a trade and I fell asleep. I woke up, it was $2,000 in profit. I
All
was
right.
like, wow. And then ever since that point, I basically donated my whole life to trading. I love trading, eat, sleep, breathe it. It's kind of the only thing I do nowadays. And actually, the second thing that happened to me is that the second time I started trading US 30 first, and I
Okay.
made $150 in like 5 minutes. And I was like, this is definitely for me. And it's just been kind of evolving, evolving, evolving. Then I saw you guys with the prop firm challenges. I was like, I know I can pass this. So I started, and well, here we are today.
All right, that is good. That is good, man. Is there any challenge that you faced during when you were learning and you were trying to become a profitable trader? What was the challenge that you faced?
Yes. One of probably the most challenging ones is, I guess my thing was I'm just trying to time the market and over risk at the same time, which is why I said I would always do max leverage on those beginning funding challenges just so I can do like a 1 to 5 and be done with it. But I would always get in the move right before, like if I was going to say if it was I was going for a sale, but the sale didn't happen right here. I got in right here, stop loss was right here, hit stop loss, sale.
All right, so
Leveraging and
yeah,
trying to time the market was my biggest challenge.
yeah. And what was the key moment in your trading which made you profitable? What was it?
It was probably for since I lost 4 trades in a row, and I was like, Xavier, you're a little bit too eager trying to jump into this one trade. Wait for the moment. And I waited for the setup that I know I was going to win, and then actually getting that setup, it hit it and went straight down. And of course, I got the funded challenges. That was it.